Hi, dear Claudia. Today I'll be presenting to you the third task of the English project, which is presenting my major, which is political science, and answer the question how could my major contribute to peace and equality, but also development in Colombia? Here's the list of content that I'll be following in this presentation. So, first, the political science major at the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana. In this university, this major seeks to approach to the issues proper to the discipline from an interdisciplinary view. The graduates have the ability to analyze and interpret the national international political world from an interdisciplinary perspective with ethical criteria and a social sense, but also with a vocation of service. Okay, the best universities in Chile and Colombia also offer this major, but there are some key differences and similarities between them. In the first place, the length and the pricing, which is for the Universidad de los Andes, it takes 8 semesters to complete the program, and it costs each semester around 25 million pesos. Whereas in the Universidad Javeriana, it only takes 8 semesters to complete the 10 semesters to complete the program, and it costs around 30 million pesos. Lastly, at Universidad Católica de Chile, it costs around 29 million pesos and it takes 10 semesters to finish the program. An interesting fact is that in the Universidad Católica de Chile, the emphasis is on project management, whereas in the Universidad Javeriana, it is on social issues and peace building. And in Universidad de los Andes, its emphasis is on the Colombian political system and comparative politics. Okay, so how could my mayor contribute to peace, to the peace building process in Colombia? So, well, we as political scientists have massive amounts of information, also analytical frameworks and knowledge that we can apply to make policies that reduce the likelihood of conflicts to arise, like providing pacific ways of solving troubles between individuals, but also our great knowledge in the Colombian political system and in our history. That knowing that we can provide tools and information and also our knowledge to solve the actual armed conflict. Our formation also allow us to address systemic inequalities, economic disparities, and social exclusion. So we can actively engage in policy development toward fixing disparities in society and building a more equal society where no one is discriminated or excluded regardless of its gender, economic condition, uh, birth of place, and also ethnics. Our knowledge and formation also allow us to implement political and economic reforms to address issues like corruption, social welfare, infrastructure, healthcare, and education, for example. Thus, that way we can contribute to Colombia's sustainable development and progress. So, lastly, why you should study political science? Well, first because it gives a deep understanding of the political systems in general, but depending on where you study, it gives you a more comprehensive, a more deeper understanding of the political domestic system. Also, it fosters critical thinking and analytical skills, and a comprehension of complex global issues that we can solve, like globalization, wars, economic trade, economic welfare, and social equality. It also provides insight into the functioning of governments, international relations, and conflict resolutions. That way, one can work as a consultant or advisor for any government agency, and also in any international organization or international forum because one gets a deeper understanding of political frameworks and theory, and when one gets formed in a bunch of theories that help us analyze any political context, and that will be great for any person who is interested in in leaving a positive impact in its society by studying a major. So I think that political science is a great major if you want to make change in the society, and if you are interested in the complex global issues that are arising at the moment. Also understanding the opportunities that societies around the world have, its challenges, and also its risks. Thank you very much, teacher Claudia, for watching my presentation. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.